Goa is blessed with sports talent, same as Kolkata. But today, our sports personalities in Goa are neglected. Their contribution to the state is not recognized. Today, Goa has very little sports infrastructure which is not up to the mark. Therefore, Goa needs to see a new dawn and a change, says West Bengal Sports Minister and former Indian cricketer Manoj Tiwari.
कितना इंडियन है कि स्पोर्ट्समैन को कितना प्रॉब्लम है?
देखिए, बहुत दुख का बात है कि यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर इतना अच्छा है, लेकिन स्पोर्ट्स जो रिप्रेजेंट किया है, देश के लिए खेला है, उनको कोई सम्मान नहीं मिला हुआ है आज तक। डेंजिल को देख लीजिए आप, लेनी सर को देख लीजिए, और भी बहुत सारे हमारे क्रिकेटर्स भी हैं। एसोसिएशन ने उन लोग के खिलाफ बहुत खराब किया है। अगर आप खबर निकाल लीजिएगा तो पता चलेगा। जो अप्रिसिएशन मिलना चाहिए, जो इज्जत मिलना चाहिए, जो सम्मान मिलना चाहिए। देखिए, हमारा सर का पसीना पैर में आता है ना, हम लोग जब तब देश के लिए खेल पाते हैं, तब देश के लिए मौका मिलता है। और जब मौका मिलता है, जब अच्छा करते हैं, नाम कमाते हैं अपने देश के लिए, अपने स्टेट के लिए, उसके बाद अगर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सम्मान अगर नहीं देता है, बहुत बुरा लगता है। वो सिर्फ वो लाइमलाइट लेने के लिए आप देखते हैं ना, एक गेट टुगेदर होता है, वो जब हासिल हो जाता है तो उसके बाद वो गेट टुगेदर, भाई अपना तू ये आ जा, वो लाइमलाइट के लिए है, वो फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए है। लेकिन ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट कहाँ हुआ है बताइए आप? एकदम ही नहीं हुआ। आप लोगों से पूछिए, पता लगेगा। तो हम लोग पूरा स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर और बाकी जनरल सेक्शंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी में हम लोग हेल्प करेंगे और उनको वो रेस्पेक्ट, वो रिकग्निशन देंगे, ताकि आने वाले समय में
sports in this small state of Goa, which has a lot of talent, as you said, which is not recognized, not appreciated. So what will be Trinamool Congress motive to support sports in Goa and also the sports fraternity and the sportsmen?
See, first of all, I would say that it's a very sad state of affairs right now as far as sports is concerned. Like I was mentioning a while back, that recognition, that respect which a sports person does not get from the state. Being in power, BJP in power, they don't look after it. They only come before the election, they will promise this, that, but nothing happens. I have few friends. Shapnil Asnodkar, he was with me in the NCA camp when I was young, under 19. He played for Rajasthan Royals for so many years. What happened to him? Saurav Bhandekar, he played for India under 19, played for Dilip Trophy, and association misbehaved and did not give him opportunity. And there saw many other players, they are lacking back. Jakati as well. And it was very sad to see Jakati had to made a press conference. So can you imagine the people, the feelings of sports person are so hurt that they want a change, and along with them the other people as well. So basically we will create that infrastructure, we will create that platform to serve the people.
To go inside. So what you have to say on such sports facilities in Goa, and what will be the change in future if Trinamool Congress comes into power?
So if they are locked, we will open that lock. Simple as that. It's very sad state of affairs. Who is responsible for this? Only the BJP government, the ruling government which is here. They only come in power and they don't respect the people. The players should be respected. The sports person should be respected all the time, because they have represented the country with their hard work, sheer hard work, the sacrifices which they have done over a period of time. The player who has played and represented India, if they don't get recognized by this ruling party people, it's a very sad state of affair. I mean, they don't respect, and that's why they don't give importance. It's simple as that. And whatever little I've interacted with Denzil and Lenny sir, they are genuinely want people, the youth, the sports people, to come forward to provide them the infrastructure. And wherever the lock is been put, we will come in power and open that lock, and we'll maintain that ground, and we'll create more infrastructure so that players at least get themselves ready before moving on to the next stage. We need that base, and we will create that base. We'll promise that. Because like Denzil said, unfortunately, I feel very bad that still now they have not a proper ground here. And until unless you have a ground facility, how can a player will progress in future? And in Calcutta, you see our government has given 80% of the grounds for football, because football is in our blood. Similarly, Goans also love football. So we will create that infrastructure here, and it's about change, and I can foresee that change is happening, and I request all the people of Goans to come forward and support All India Trinamool Congress by looking at Mamata Banerjee.